No matter what, every day, month, and year, shipbuilders need to see a return on investment. This is true whether the focus is on the entire project, the current block about to be cut, or new digital technology. But with the constantly fluctuating amount of work, the need to balance new technology with ongoing commitments can be challenging. By equipping your teams with the tools to respond to market changes as needed, and introducing innovation without jeopardizing current projects, your organization can achieve a quick ROI and confidently focus on shipbuilding. SSI, empowering shipbuilders to focus on what they do best: shipbuilding.